Hello guys, welcome back with us again. Yay. Today we gonna collect the toys again, guys. Wow, so exciting. Let's find the toys, guys. Wow, look. Wow, there's a place and then the toys around the place, guys, to collect the toys. Look, you can see. Wow, today the place is green. Oh, the color is green today. Oh, this is a new one. Okay, and then let's collect all the toys here. Wow, of course. Look. Can see? Wow. So exciting. We have a lot of toys today. Look. Okay, let's collect all. Wow, this is jet. For the battle and craft for the battle. Boom. Okay, let's put on the place to collect the toys. And then this water tank truck. Look, wow. And then this is, look, telescope. Can see? Wow, so cool. And then this container truck, and then this firefighter from the police car. Okay, let's put on the place. And then there's two bicycles. Look, wow, so cool. And then this is the blue helicopter. Boom. Wow, awesome. And then this, look, this is the roller or compactor. Look, wow. And then this is wheel loader, guys. Wow, cool. And then this how do you call it, the cool one. Wow, look with the sunglasses. Wow. Okay, let's put it in. And then this container truck, as firefighter cars, look, from the police. And then this one, tire bus. This is the I think it's a blue one. And then this, the tire bus, the yellow ones. Wow, let's put on place. And then this one, police car. Wow, cool. Let's go find more toys, guys, around here. Boom. Whoa, look, this animal. And then there's the truck, guys. Wow, this, look, this dinosaurs. Look, this is Allosaurus, guys. Look, wow. Let's put on the place. And then this T-Rex with a big mouth and sharp teeth. Wow, scary. Okay, let's put it in. And then this one, Stegosaurus. Wow. And then there's three container truck. Two, yellow one, red one, and then the blue one. Wow, let's put it in on the place to collect the toys, guys. Wow, I'm happy. Already have a lot of toys today. Yay. Let's go find more. Maybe we still have toys around here. Wow, this, look. Wow, guys, look, there's Lobster. Ooh, the big one. Cool. And then this is the Ultraman superhero. Wow, awesome. Wow, there is another tire bus. Look, the green one. And then this, the red one. Wow, let's put it in. Oh, there's balls. Look, 4 balls. Look, yay. So cool. Let's put it in. Wow, almost full. Oh, already full, because you don't have more space to put the toys, guys. Look, we have, how do you get Racket to play. And then with this ball, you can play with your friend. Wow, So cool. Okay guys, I think we already have a lot of toys and then the place is already full. So I think today is enough for looking for the toys and collect it. Wow, okay guys, I'll see you on the next video. We're gonna find a lot of toys again, more and more. Okay guys, see you next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment ya guys. I'll see you next video ya guys. Bye bye guys. Bye bye. Always smile.